Awesome. Okay. Okay, awesome. So welcome to our, let me just move this up here. Okay, can you all see? Okay. Okay, awesome. So welcome to our Python class again. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue on with using Python. For those who stay behind, that's really good. You're gonna learn something very advanced. So for this is much more advanced than just typical like coding. So if you made this far, give yourself a pat on the back because this is going to be a bit more challenging. So what we're going to do now is we press the enter at Py. Make sure you press version 2.0. Very important, but you press version 2.0. Okay. When you reach version 2.0, you press start programming. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just do something very basic first. We managed to make our Edison robot just move forward. But now what we're going to do is we are going to, first of all, play a beat. We'll make it drive forward. We'll make it spin. So something very simple. So I'm just going to move this backwards. Can everyone see my screen? I'll just share my screen again. Maybe everyone should see my screen. Okay. So if you want to remember, I'm just also gonna open up Scratch as well. Cloud Scratch. I'll show you the equivalent on. I'll show you the equivalent on Scratch, so you know what to do. So this is what we're gonna do. So this is the Scratch version, and then I'll show you how to do that in Python. Okay. So first of all, what we're going to do is we are going to get the beep here. We're going to put the beep here, and then we're going to make it drive forward. We're going to make it maybe drive forward for like around probably like 20 centimeters. We want to make it go full speed ahead, so speed 10, and we'll make it spin left for 360 degrees. So at that speed and stuff. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Okay, so actually, I'll just keep it at, yeah, so that should be good. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same thing here, is we're gonna play beep. So if you want to know how we're gonna play beep, this is how we're gonna do it. So here, you can look on the right-hand side to see what it does. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do ed.play beep. Okay, and then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna make a drive. So let's see something how we can make a drive here. We can make a drive by finding the drive command. This is drive here. So we have the drive with the direction here, with the speed and distance. The direction and with the speed, the distance. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do ed drive. So with the direction, so we're gonna do ed dot forward. So we make it go forward. Here, we want to do speed 10. So we can do speed 10 here. Ed dot speed 10 or 4. We can just do 4, which should be the same as 10 because 10 is the max. And we can do it for 20 centimeters. Okay, so we have direction, we have speed, and we have distance here. Okay, I'll make sure, okay, my bad. I have to make sure I spell this correctly, okay? Make sure you spell this correctly, okay? And then now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna make it spin to the left and for 360 degrees. So we do now is we're gonna first of all look at the speed, ed dot drive, ed dot spin left. Then we're gonna make it go. What's the speed here? We're gonna make it go 5. Ed dot speed 5. And the direction or the so the distance or the angle we can do 360 degrees. Okay. So now let's try to program it. Make sure you turn the Edison robot on. Here, you should know how to program your Edison by now. Okay, so now we're going to connect this to our laptop computer here. We're going to program it. It's going to take slightly long. Okay, let's just, sometimes it doesn't work. You have to play around with this. Okay, so sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes it has a wrong beat. So we just have to turn it off. Wait, we just have to turn it off, and then we have to turn it on again. Here. We circle, we program Edison. Okay, we program Edison. Okay, so now let's try running this. Here, we will make it do. It will make it play a beat. Yeah, so we'll play a beat, and then we'll drive forward, and then spin. Beat, drive forward, spin. Okay, I'll copy and paste the code into the chat, so you can try yourself. So this is the code here. Okay, so I'll ask some questions in the meantime. Payal, what is your question? Payal? Payal Patel, you there? What's your question?
Actually, when we came to the app of vetpyf.com, well, why did we actually start from the beginning?
Say it.
Well, when we came to 8pyf, then why did we start from the beginning?
Oh, because every time you go to a new Pi, you have to create a new code from scratch. So to keep a new code from the beginning. So every time we open a new page, we have to create a new program. Does it make sense? Unless you can,
Yes.
unless you want to save it, create an account, log in, create an account and save it, you create something from scratch. Awesome. Thank you, Paya. Okay, Pratham.
When I just went to vetpyf, the other one, Python based one,
Yeah.
put beep, and it just went to somewhere like add play beep. It went somewhere like was, yeah.
What's the
like
question? So you want to, so they had issues with play beep, right? Did you have issues
when I tapped on beep, there was like, it wasn't just there. It wasn't there. It was like somewhere else.
Okay.
It was like, yeah, something came there.
So yeah, you should use
Maybe.
guys.
Oh.
Yeah. So if you want,
Yeah.
all you do is just copy this. This is an example what it does. You just copy, and then you yeah, copy and then just copy it and then you just type it out and then it should be playing the beat. Okay, awesome. Okay, Jasper.
Can I demonstrate?
Okay, awesome. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm not sure. I didn't see it spinning. Can you go back to the spin? Brilliant. Oh, nice. You made it spin left and right. Awesome. Brilliant work, Jasper. Brilliant work. Awesome. Okay, I'll probably wait for one more person to demonstrate whilst I wait for everyone to demonstrate. Whilst I wait for everyone to demonstrate, right? So whilst I wait for everyone to demonstrate, if for those who've done it already, feel free to add more. Feel free to add some more stuff into the code here. So, but if you have all the things on the left, on the right hand side. So what we've done so far, we've done the LED, left LED, right LED. We have done play beep, and we have done drive. So if you want, please add some more things. Just make something creative for those who have done, like Jasper. If you want to demonstrate some more stuff, yeah, just play around with this. You can add with this. You can look at the documentation here to explain what you want to do. The kind of thing. You can look at some examples on what to do as such. So yeah, I'll just keep it on for the time being. I'll give it 3 more minutes. If no one demonstrates, we'll move on. Yep, Alvi. Yep, okay, let's see what you've done, Alvi. Oh, brilliant, awesome. Brilliant work, Alvi. Great job. Great job, Alvi. Awesome, so let's move on. Okay, so what are we gonna do is we're gonna start introducing the concept of loops, okay? So before we do this, we did some of this last week. However, if we do this again, can anyone tell me what this code will do? Yep, Jasper, let's see what it will do.
Make it go on forever.
Okay, well, we'll make go forever. So yeah, that's a good one. That's a good start. Make it go forever. Yes. Okay. Just to add on to Jasper's brilliant answer, what will make what go forever? Does anyone know? Okay. Salim?
It would make a beep sound, then drive forward at maximum speed 20 centimeters, and then it would spin left at speed 360 degrees.
Yeah, that's good. That's a really good guess. You're on the right track, Salim. Thank you very much, Lee. Okay. Okay. So you got this name here. Are you Ali, right? Is it Ali?
Yeah,
Okay.
it will play a beat forever and it will also continue to do all the code.
Okay, so it will beep forever. Will it
Yeah.
drive? Will it beep forever? Would it ever drive?
Oh no.
Okay, awesome, awesome. So yeah, it will beep forever, but it will not drive. Awesome, thank you very much. So yeah, so basically what this is equivalent to in Scratch is that it will be the equivalent of doing this. Let me just, it will be the equivalent. Well, it's not gonna work because the fact that it's not gonna work because of the fact that it's never gonna reach it. It's gonna be forever. It will never drive forward or spin. Okay, so let's just see what happens if we try to run it like this. because this isn't it Python, it will take more time to run. Okay. So what we'll do, it will beep pretty much forever. Okay. So yeah, so Celine, whoever got an answer, that was a brilliant answer. Oh, sorry, it was Ali. That was a great answer, Ali. However, what do you need to, okay, so I'll give you a challenge. This is what the code does so far. What do you need to do to make the code like this? So make it beep, drive forward, and spin forever. What do you need to do? Actually, I'll let you try it out. If you figured it out, I'll let you demonstrate, and then you can tell how you got it working. Okay, so all you need to do is try to make it beep, drive, and spin forever. Okay, I'll give you all 7 minutes. Jasper, do you want to demonstrate, or did you have an answer?
I have a question.
What's the question?
Well, whenever I type ed.play beep, it always says that there's a syntax error.
A syntax error. Okay, so first of all, okay, so let's just see this out. If we have a syntax error, okay. First of all, you need to indent it. So this is probably what you did. You need to indent this. So you press tab, or you press space 4 times, and it should fix the indent error. Hopefully that fixes things out. Okay, Alvi. Indent. Nice. So you made it run one time. That's good. Awesome. Brilliant start, Alvi.
Now, is that meant to keep on going forever?
Should be, yeah, that's the idea. Yeah, you should be keeping going forever.
So how,
But you made it run one time though, so that's a good start. So how you do that is a challenge. I'll tell how to do it later, but I just want to see if anyone can try figuring it out first.
oh, okay.
Okay, if anyone has figured it out, then please raise your hand. Okay, Alvin, let's see you try. Did you figure it out? Brilliant. Awesome. Albie, how did you do it? Can you, you're still muted. I can't hear you.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I can hear you. How do you do it?
So I took out the forever, and then I put it there forever on again, and then it worked.
Wait, say again.
I took out the forever of the person, and then I put it, and then I put it. So I took, and then I took out other program because I put it away, and then it worked it out.
Awesome. Sounds like a very good solution. Brilliant work, Albie. As long as you made it work, brilliant work, Albie. Awesome. Jasper, let's see how you did it. Oh, do you have a question?
I have a demonstration, but I indented all of the lines so that the whole code goes on forever.
Awesome. That's pretty much a correct answer. Can we see you try? Brilliant. Awesome. Awesome work, Jasper. It's a great solution. Ali? Okay, let's see. What did you do?
I put 4 spaces on each line between ed.playBeep and ed.drive, and yeah, I put 4 spaces.
Awesome. Brilliant work out, Ali. So same solution. So yeah, so what they all did is they did 4 spaces here, or they tab. So if we try running on mine, it should be get the exact same result that we want. So let's just connect this here. Okay, so let's try some. Okay. Okay, so we'll see if we try on this. Yeah, so I just need some. Yeah, basically it's just running. Maybe the girl, so because there's more space. Yeah, precisely that. You'll pretty much keep running with that. So yeah, awesome. Brilliant work. For those who've got it, brilliant work. Awesome. So now what we're gonna do, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try to make this program run around, repeat like 4 times and such. So let's just do this here. First of all, what we're gonna do is we are going to okay, so first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a beep. Okay, just slowly. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make it beep 10 times. So this I'll just do the simple way to make it beep 10 times. See, in EdPy, so in Scratch, you do it like this. You make it repeat 10 times. However, this is going to be a bit more complicated. So, so we have the while method here. With the while method here, what it will do is, okay, let me just figure this out. So we always, okay, so we want to make it repeat 10 times. Okay, so we will create this is the thing called variable. It will store. So this will be slightly more advanced. We did cover it in Scratch, but what we're going to do is we're going to create a loop number equals to 1. Okay. So probably start at 0. If you don't understand this, that's fine. Just let's just see how it goes. Let's just try to make it run first. After making it run, we will after making it run, we will explain how it will work accordingly and stuff. So let's do this here. So we'll do while loop number is less than 10, we will play beep. Okay. And then what we do is we will increase it by 1. It goes to loop number plus 1. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this up like this. Okay. So we're going to try setting up like this. This will be much more complicated, so we'll try to explain it much better after just demonstrating this running. Okay, so now let's try running this. So it should be 10 times. Okay. For some reason, it only plays once. That's interesting. It should be repeating itself 10 times. Okay, so let's just try this. Let's just figure things out. Let me just fix things up on my end and try to see why it's not running the way it wants to. So let's just try this again. I would say it's because we need some more time. So what we do, let's just see, we have this thing called time wait. Yeah. So what it will do is it will make it wait just 1 second. So let's do this here. So let's do we'll just make it wait 1 second. So we'll play a beep and we'll play it wait for 1 second and then we'll run it again. So what we'll do is we do add time wait and then we do 1 second and then we do add dot time seconds. So we'll make it wait 1 second. Okay. So let's try to demonstrate this. If you don't get this, we have to make sure it's all lowercase. Okay, so let's try running this. Okay. So it beeps 10 times. So let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this will be equivalent of doing this. Repeat, wait 1 second. Okay. So we have, okay, so we basically like, so what it will do, I'll find something equivalent of this. So what we're gonna do is, I'll just draw a diagram so you can all understand. Okay, I'll try to explain this, and then when I finish explaining this, if you have any questions, please raise your hand, but I'll try to explain this some more. Okay, so I'm just going to annotate this. So we have this number. So what we're going to do, we have a just going to draw like a number table and stuff. We have loop number. So loop number, we have 0, and we have 10. So we have 1, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, this is very out of scale. And then 9 and 10. So we have 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is loop number, okay? So what will happen is loop number will start at 0. So this is loop number here. So we put loop number at 0 here. So what we'll do is we'll play a beep, then wait 1 second, and then we'll add 1. So 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Then you increase it by 1. You plus by 1. Then it will go back up here. It will check, is number 1 less than 10? No. Oh, sorry, 1 less than 10? Yes, it is less than 10. So play a beep. Then you wait 1 second. Then you add 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So you cross this out. You go to number 2 here. Okay. So is 2 less than 10? No. 2 is, sorry. Is 2 less than 10? 2 is smaller than 10? You say yes. You run this, you'll play a beep, you wait again. You cross it out. And then 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Okay. Then you basically add here. And then you plus by 1. Okay. Then is 3 less than 10? Yes. So you keep going. So basically you do for 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, and then 9. Okay, so let's do this. So we do 8, 9, 10. So we do for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. Okay. So I'm just gonna mute whoever is speaking. I'm just gonna mute. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep adding 1, and then eventually, after reaching number 9, you will run, is 9 less than 10? Yes. So play beep. Then it will. I'm just gonna quickly close this. You do 9 plus 1 equals to 10. Okay, so you do 10 here. You reach to 10. So basically play 1 time. You play the beep 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Wait, sorry. You play the beep 1 time, then 2 times, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, sorry. 1, 2. You play this one once, then play twice, 3rd time, 4th time, 5th time, 6th time, 7th time, 8th time, 9th time, 10th time. So what it will do is before it adds 1, you play the sound. You play the sound of the beep before they add it. That's why we start at 0. In coding, we always start at 0. Now, when it reaches number 9, when the number 9 goes to 10, you check if number 10 is smaller than 10. No, 10 is not smaller than 10. 10 is the same number as 10. Therefore, you will not play this anymore. You will not play the beep. Well, if it's under the condition, it will. If it's under a particular condition, it will only run when it matches the condition. But when loop number reaches number 10, it will stop playing. So therefore, you'll just go to a loop, check all this. If it's done, you'll exit the loop. Okay, so that's just one analogy. If you don't understand, what this code basically does, it makes it repeat 10 times. This is the logic to make it repeat 10 times. But yeah, is there a question?
Actually, I actually started on the bottom, so I'm starting on 17. I need some time to do this.
Second?
Actually, I started on 17 and I need some time to do.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. So yeah, you can just look at the stuff on the screen. I'll just copy and paste the code in the chat, and hopefully everyone can catch up. Yeah, so if you want some more understanding, there'll be a coding class that helps explain this. If not, we will just I'll just copy this code here, and then just copy and paste this code in the chat. Okay. So if anyone has any more questions, this is a basic gist. Long story short, loop starts at 0. Every time it goes here, it changes to 1. So for example, it basically goes from 0, then it will go to 1, then go to 2, then go to 3, then go to 4, then go to 5, then go to 6, then go to 7, go to 8, then go to 9, then go to 10. Okay, so see, let's just play this game. Okay, just first of all, tell me if 0 is less than 10. If so put a thumbs up. You can put a thumbs up if it's less than 10, and then because it's less than 10, will this run? Would be because it's less than 10. Yeah, awesome. Okay, then it will increase. So basically 0 will be equals, so base 0, so basically 0 plus 1 equals to 1. So we get rid of 0. Is 1 less than 10? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, would play a beep? Yeah, okay, awesome. So it will increase by 1. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2, and then eventually we'll get to 9. Okay, is 9 less than 10? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, so basically because 9 is less than 10, would beep or not? Yep. Okay, I can see you guys beep. Now 9 plus 1 equals to 10. Now, is 10 less than 10? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, because 10 is less than 10, 10 is equals to 10. 10 is equals to 10, not 10 is less than 10. Will we play a beep? Yes or no? Awesome. Thank you very much, Jasper. Okay, so it's a bit complicated, but I want you to try coding this and try to make it run. I'm not sure if I think I copy and paste this code in the chat. Just try to, basically this code allows you to repeat or run a beep 10 times. Okay, so this should be the equivalent here. Let me just move this here. This should be the equivalent here. Because Python is much more complicated. This is the foundation thing. Okay, if you get this code working, just raise your hand and then we can demonstrate. Yep, Jasper. Awesome. Thank you very much, Jasper. Brilliant work. Great job. Okay, Cohen, let's see what you've done.
My robot just turned off, so I have to turn it back on.
Yeah, that's fine. Turn it on and press play.
Okay.
Brilliant. Brilliant work. Great job. Brilliant work. Awesome. Okay, Sienna, let's see what you've done. Brilliant. Awesome. Great job, Sienna. Okay, so now I'm just gonna clear my screen. I hope you all get this. If you don't, you can just always watch the recording later on. Okay, so we can do probably one last thing. Okay, so what we'll do is we will we'll make it okay, so let's just do this here. We will make it okay, so let's just change it. So instead of beeping 10 times, we just make it 5 times. We can just make it beep 5 times. After beeping 5 times, we'll show you an easier way of doing a loop, but this is a good foundation for you all to know how loops work, at least in coding. But now we're going to show you the very simple way of creating a loop, like just looping and repeating things. Okay, so now we have declared loop number. Let's just do a new thing called repeat. Okay, so for repeat in range, let's do 4. What we're going to do is we're going to make the light, both the light turn on and turn off. Make the light turn on and turn off around, what's it called, 4 times. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make this just the equivalent here. We'll make basically both lights turn on, both lights turn on. We will wait 1 second, and then we'll make both lights turn off. Yeah. So that's pretty much the equivalent of what we're going to do. We will make it add left LED, and we basically make it turn add dot on. We want to see what it does. We make it turn add dot on, and we also make the right add dot on. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to do add dot time wait. We'll make it 1 second. Add dot time seconds, and then we'll do add dot what's it called, left LED, add dot on, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do add dot right LED, add dot off. Okay, so I should make sure it's off. Okay, so yeah, so what we'll do is it will make it beep 5 times, and then it will turn the light on and off 4 times. Okay, so let's just try programming this. Yep, let's just do this here. Program Edison. Okay, so Oh, I misspelled this. I need to make sure it's right. Left LED and right LED. So let's programming this. Let's program this. Okay, so now let's just take this off. Now, if you run this, you beep 4 or 5 times, and then the light turn on. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll also add a 1 second delay as well, just to add more time. So I'm just gonna just make it like this. I'm just gonna do the backspace. I'm just gonna do end.time wait. End.time seconds. If you want to repeat stuff, this will be the easier way to do it. This is for foundation understanding. This is just for, you can also do with other conditions, but we'll get that in a little bit. This will be an easier way to repeat things. Okay, so let's try programming this one more time. So what we're gonna do, we press the LED, wait, then right LED. So repeat, play a beep 5 times, they will turn the light on and off 4 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. The light will turn on, off, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then it will go back to normal. I'll copy and paste the code. I'll copy and paste the code. I'll give you the opportunity to run it. The first, we'll finish up the class early. If anyone gets to demonstrate this early on, then we can finish off the class early. But yeah.
Actually, I'm doing the 21 to the 25, so I need some time.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah. If you struggle, you can look
Easy.
at the code. Yes, that's fine. If you have struggled, just look at the code. So look at the chat. If not, you can watch the video later on. Yep, Jasper. Look at
I'd like to demonstrate that the beeping and the flashing lights don't happen at the same time.
Yeah, that's fine. That's exactly how we want to work. That's precisely the point. Two, 3, 4. Nice, awesome. Brilliant work, Jasper. Awesome, great job. Okay, last person. Okay, so we do Ali and Sieda.
So I added the drive forward code as well.
Okay, nice. Let's see what you've done. 3, 4, 5, 1. Nice. So 2, 3, 4. Yeah, awesome. Brilliant work, Ali. Yeah, that's really smart. Awesome. You can also, yeah. So what Ali did really well, you can also add like stuff in between as well. So you can make it drive forward. Yeah, drive forward. So I just do, yeah, you can do something similar as well. You can also make it add drive. So we can do like add forward. Let me just fix some. You can make it, yeah, you can drive forward. So we can do add dot speed 5. And then you can also do, you can also do this as well. That's awesome. And you can also add this in between as well. Awesome. Last person, Sienna, then we can finish the class. Okay, let's see what you've done. Yep, okay. Whenever you're ready. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ending the line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Brilliant, Sienna. Awesome. Well, this is a tough class. This is one of the more challenging class. If you made it this far, and congratulations. Give yourself a pat on the back. I hope you enjoy this class today. Congratulations for getting this far. Next week we'll be doing some more harder stuff. But if you made it this far, you can make it to the end. So congratulations, everybody. Awesome. Payal, last question, and then we'll head off.
Actually, I still need some time. I am still doing it.
Okay. If you want, then I'll just copy you here. Just copy you here, and then if not, you can just look at the video and see if it helps here. Okay, Salim.
Can I show what I did to my Edison?
Yeah, sure. Let's see what you've done. Last person, then we'll head off. Oh, nice. Awesome. Yeah, if you want, please add Lego so make it as creative as possible. Awesome. Well, awesome. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this class. I'll see you next week. Enjoy your week. See ya.
Bye.
See you.
Bye.
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 Bye.